Well, what a wonderful tribute to a man who's been an icon of this part of the world, and the Majaa run is underway. This is wonderful to see so many people coming here. Of course, it started at 5:30 in the morning with the open 10K, but this is the fun run, the Majaa run. It's a wonderful occasion to see everyone embracing the spirit. And all these people, Tim, have been watching the elite athletes and cheering them on. So they're doing their bit, and now they want to be a part on that same course.
It's a great contrast, isn't it? You spectate and then you can actually take part. But you know what's wonderful is that there are about 19,000 people running today, Gatlin. Most of the races around the world have been going on in recent months as the pandemic seems to be easing away from us, please God. Most races are showing about a 30% no-show, down on numbers from previous years. So 19,000 today is great numbers, and that will build and build, I'm sure. Next year will be a lot bigger.
A quick word on Puneet Rajkumar. We saw a tribute to him not long ago at this very race. He was here as a guest, and unlike many others, he didn't want to just stand around and be interviewed. He said, I want to run. And they said, no, you're a VIP, just stand in one place. He insisted on running. That was what he was about. You talked about the pandemic. He did a lot for Covid-19, and sadly no more with us, but he was someone who embodied the spirit, and of course a great actor.
Bharat Mata ki jai. Majaa run only means live your life king size. Enjoy every moment of your life. I have been consistently coming here in the last 12 years, and TCS recognizes me as a brand ambassador of Majaa run. I have always performed to the best. I do not pose, I only perform. The pose is given by God. The color is given by God. We just encash it. We enjoy the talent in us by singing the glory of Lord. Come here, my dear Narayan Hari, मैंने तेरे लिए हृदय अंदर बिल्डिंग बनाई. Come here, my dear Narayan Hari, मैंने तेरे लिए हृदय अंदर बिल्डिंग बनाई. TCS invites me, and I enjoy the colorful life, make it more colorful by the day. Enjoy every moment of my life. Whatever comes in my mind, I become a Nike shoe and say, just do it, just do it, just do it. Jai Karnataka. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Prakash Gera.
What do you do by profession?
I have multiple businesses and I'm the world's biggest opportunist. Mauka mila, Prakash ne thoka. Every single business I have touched, every single business I have enjoyed, and I relish it to the best.
Hi, we are Dia Foundation. We are working with person with disability, and this year our concept for TCS 10K is COVID. So this is our big COVID. So from the past 2 years we have suffered with COVID, so you might know what are the difficulties that we faced. So we have we are indicating gas cylinders, we are indicating our mask, and then we have a PP kit, and we have our syringe, vaccination syringe. So hats off to all the COVID warriors, the nurses, the BBMP workers, the doctors, the volunteers, and the NGOs who are working with COVID, and all the participants who were there. So thank you everyone, and hats off to you guys.
Beautiful. The event, it was a festivity. It didn't feel like a race or a competition. It felt like a celebration, and that's good. It's a celebration of health, it's a celebration of wellness. It brings the community together.